So in this video, I am discussing first 15 questions of mock test 2. Here what he given in this problem, first problem, f of x is a continuous function, area bounded by the curve is between uh, x equal to pi by 4 to beta. F of x dx is beta sin beta plus pi by 4 cos beta plus root 2 beta. So here it is a function of beta. I am differentiating with respect to beta. Derivative of integral fx to g of x into h of x dx is g dash x into h of g of x minus f dash x into h of f of x. If you differentiate this, beta, that is upper limit f of 1 into f of beta, constant derivative 0. So beta cos beta plus pi by 4 minus sin beta plus root 2 into 1. So f of beta is beta cos beta minus pi by 4 sin beta plus root 2. What he is asking here, f of pi by 2 cos 90 0 sin 91 plus root. Here beta cos beta plus sin beta into 1. Here it is sin 91. We get f of pi by 2 as 1 plus root 2 minus pi by 4. The second option. Here x plus 1 f dash x minus 2 times x into x plus 1. F of x is e power x square by x plus 1. F dash x minus 2x f of x is x plus 1 whole square. Dy by dx minus 2xy is x plus 1 whole square. Dy by dx plus px of y is q of x. Here p of x is integral p dx minus x square. So it is a linear differential equation. Solution is y e power integral p dx is q e power integral p dx plus c. Y e power minus x square is q here is e power x square by x plus 1 whole square. Here e power minus x square dx plus c. So y e power minus x square is plus c. The given conditions, f of 0 is 5. F of x e power minus x square is f of 0 e power 0 is 1. So that is c will be 5 plus 1, which is 6. F of x e power minus x square is, so 6x plus 5 by x plus 1. f of x will be 6x plus 5 by x plus 1 into e power x square. What he is asking, f of x, that's all. Here tangents are drawn to the circle at the points where it met the circle. So tangents are drawn to the circle at the points where it is met by the circle. Here it meeting P and Q. So now tangents are drawn at P these tangent meet at the point x1 comma y1. So then here PQ becomes chord of contact of A x1 y1 with respect to circle C1. So equation of chord of contact is S1 equal to 0. That is xx1 plus y1 is equal to 10. And PQ is nothing but intersection of circle 1 and circle 2. Solving means it's a line, subtract one from the other. First circle equation is minus 6x minus 4y plus 10 minus x square minus y square plus 10 equal to 0. So 6x minus 4y plus 20 is 0. 3x plus 2y minus 10 is 0. Say this is. So 1 and 2 represent same line. That is 3x plus 2y is 10. Xx1 plus yy1 is 10. So x1 by 3, y1 by 2, which is 1. X1 comma y1 is 3 comma 2. A light ray gets reflected from the line x equal to minus 2 if the and he given circle equation whose radius is 2. So it touches that circle, and point of incident. So here a light ray which is incident on -2 comma -4, and after reflection it touches the circle. So this is the information what he given for us. So it touches at the point, let us say, it's a circle equation, x square plus y square is 4. Any point on the circle is 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta. So equation of tangent to circle at 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta is xx1 plus, here you will have x cos theta plus y sin theta is 2. It is 1 passing through -2 comma -4. So -4 sin theta is 2 into 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. So here we get cos square theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 is -half. So then this point becomes cos theta here is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which is 3 by 5. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which is -4 by 5. 3x by 5 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 1. So here it is 3x minus 4y is equal to 5. So this is where it is x cos theta plus y sin theta is 2. That is 3x minus 4y is 10. So here this point here is it makes an angle alpha, which is angle of reflection. Tan alpha is 3 by 4. Reflected ray also makes an angle alpha, but this line slope becomes -3/4. Then reflected ray, say some SP equation, y minus +4 is slope will be -3/4 into x minus, this is 4y plus 3x is 16 plus 6, that is -22. Third option is correct. Here, a possible equation of a tangent which is perpendicular to the line. It is x plus 2y plus k0. This is a point Px1, y1. And what we have to find out is k value. So differentiating the curve, two y dash into y plus 1 is minus of 6x plus 1. Y dash is which is equal to slope will be -1/2. After simplification, y is 6x. That point is x1, y1 lies on this. We get y1 as 6x1. Now, to find out k, we have to find that point x1, y1 lies on three x square plus y square plus x plus 2y 0. 3x1 square plus y1 square. Here y1 is 6x1. (39x1 square plus 13x1 into 3x1 plus 0. x1 is 0 or -1/3. Point here is 0, 0. 1 point. Other is -1/3, comma -2. So here point is 0, 0. Slope of this will be -1/2 into x minus 0. That is x plus 2y 0. One possible option. Let us see with other possibility. When x1 is -1/3, substituting here we get, this is the point. So this point lies on x plus 2y plus k0 -1/3 -4 -12 13/3. Another possibility is x plus 2y plus 13/3. Here in this problem, whenever modulus is there, we have to discuss case wise. When t greater than 0, 2t minus t, that is t. T less than 0, we get 3t. Y here is t mod t. When t positive, we get 2t square. t negative, we get 0. X here is t, first case 1. Y here is 2t square. That means y is 2x square. When t less than 0, x is 3t, y is 0. Then function we can write as f of x is 2x square for t greater than 0. T, x is t greater, x also greater, is 0 for t less than 0. So t less than 0 means x also less than 0. So it's a polynomial function. So continuous everywhere. At g at 0 also, left limit 0, right limit 0. So f is continuous everywhere. F dash x, if you take 4x for x greater, so for x greater than 0, f is polynomial, differentiable in 0 to infinity. F is 0, constant, hence differentiable. Left hand derivative is 0, right hand derivative is 4 into 0. So f is differentiable at x equal to 0. So it is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Here f of 1 by x plus x square f of x is given. Replace x with 1 by x, f of x plus 1 by x square, f of 1 by x is 0. So fx will be integral sine theta cosecant theta of 1 by x dx. So 1 by x, you take it as u du. Then cosecant theta, here it is sine theta f of u du, which is minus sine theta to cosecant theta fu du or fx dx. So which implies I is minus I to I is 0. Here minus 1 power n is decided by whether n even or odd. Natural numbers can be even, natural numbers can be odd, which can be expressed in the form of 2k. So if it is f of 2k, 2k minus 1 power 2k, which is 2k minus 1. F of, if it is odd, 2k plus 1, f of 2k plus 1 is 2k plus 1 minus 1 power 2k plus 1. It's minus 1, you get 2k plus 1 plus 1. That is 2 times k plus 1. That means here, meaning of this, all even numbers are mapped to where natural numbers. Here, if you take n as 2, k is 1, that maps to 2. N as 4, uh, k as 2, if you take n becomes 4, it maps to 3. Like that, all even number maps to odd number. If you take n as 1, it becomes 1, 2, 4. It maps to 4. So like that, each and every different numbers has different images. So it is 1, 1, and it is covering odd numbers, even numbers, as well as odd numbers. So that means range becomes natural, which is codomain. So distinct element has distinct images. At the same time, range is codomain. It is both 1, 1 and onto. So this type of problem, the nth term, if you consider 3n by n factorial, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 2 factorial. So n by here, n minus 2 factorial, if you consider n into n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial, n minus 1, n square minus n, get cancel. 1 by n into n minus 2 factorial, which I can write n factorial, which is n by n factorial minus 1 by n factorial. 1 by n minus 1 factorial, nth term, put n equal to 1. T1 you get 0. Here it starts from 3, right? Okay. Let us take 3. N as 3. T3 will be 1 by 2 factorial minus 3 factorial. N as 4. 3 factorial minus 4 factorial. So on n as 2008. 1 by 2007 factorial minus 2008 factorial. Adding all these like this, all get cancelled. Sum of all these terms will be second option is correct. Here f of x is secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x whole square, which is secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x whole square minus, as we know standard relation, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is pi by 2, pi by 2 minus secant inverse x. Let the secant inverse x be y, then function becomes 2y into this minus pi y plus 2y square. F dash y will be 4y, which is at this value, function attains minimum, maximum, we don't know. Double derivative will give you greater than 0. So f attains minimum at y equal to pi by 4. So here it is minimum value of the function is f of pi by 4. pi square by 4 plus 2 times pi square by 16. So pi square by 8. Here it is 9 into x minus 3 whole square plus 9 times y minus 4 whole square is this. So we get here 9 y square minus y square 872y plus 144 0. 8y square minus, so we have convert in standard form of ellipse, y square minus 9y plus 81 by 4 is minus 144. We get this part as so minus 144 plus 162, which is 18. So 9 into x minus 3 whole square by 18. So x minus 3 whole square by 2. Y minus 9 by 2 whole square by 9 by 2 is 9 by 4. So here a square is 2. B square is more than a square. So a square is this. So 16 a square is 2, sorry. Here it is 8 by 9, or e square is 1 minus 8 by 9. E becomes 1/3. That is the eccentricity. Here x bar, y bar, z bar are unit vectors. So what all given conditions? A bar is given as y plus z. So a bar dot x bar means y dot x plus z dot x, which is 3 by 2. X dot x is mod x whole square. Y dot x plus z dot x is 3 by 2. X dot y plus x dot z is half. A dot y will be x dot y, y dot y plus z dot y, which is 7 by 4. X dot y plus 1 plus z dot y is 7 by 4. Three by 4, which is 2. Again, he given mod A is 2. X bar plus y bar plus z bar as 2. X square plus y square plus z square. 2 times x dot y plus y dot z plus z dot x, which is 4. These are unit vectors. 2 times x dot y plus y dot z plus z dot x. So x dot y plus y dot z plus z dot x is, so x dot y plus y dot z is 3 by 4, half minus, so again once z dot x is minus 1 by 4, x dot y is minus x dot z. Similarly, mm, once x dot y 3 by 4, y dot z will be 3 by 4 minus x dot y, which is 3 by 4, 0. Now, in B bar, he given it as x bar cross y cross z, which is x dot z into y minus x dot y into z. So x dot z is minus 1 by 4 y bar, x dot y is minus 3 by 4 z bar. So he is asking x bar. Okay. Now another relation what he given, C bar. C bar is given as x bar cross y bar cross z bar, x dot z into y minus y dot z into x. So x dot z is minus 1 by 4y, y dot z is 0. So here we got C bar. So that is B bar is equal to C bar minus 3 by 4 Z bar. So 3Z by 4 is C bar minus B bar. So finally, what we have to find out is X bar is minus Y bar minus Z bar, Y bar. So we got B bar and C bar. So here it is A bar will be, we'll take some place here. A bar will be x bar plus y bar plus z bar. X bar is A bar minus y minus z. So here y bar is 4 times C bar. Z bar will be, here it is, B bar is minus 1/4 y minus 3/4 z. From here A bar is C bar minus 3 bar. From here Z bar is 3z by 2 is C bar minus A bar, where Z bar will be 2/3 C minus A. After simplification, we get 3A bar plus 4B bar plus. Here it is, 3 dice are thrown together, then the number of ways in which some of the numbers appearing on the dice. If you throw a die, so on this face, any number may turn up from 1 to 6. Such dice are thrown. Those numbers we will take in the power of variable. 3 dice are thrown. Different combinations will come in the product. So in that we want x bar and coefficient. that n must lie between 9 and 14. This I can write 1 minus x power 5 by 1 minus whole cube, that is x cube into 1 minus 6 whole cube, 1 minus 6 whole power minus 3. So here already x cube is there, so you have to find x power n minus 3 coefficient in 1 minus 6 whole power whole cube, 1 minus 6 whole power minus 3. So here it is 1 minus x power 18, 3x power 6 plus 3x power 12, 1 minus x whole power. So what we have to find out is n lies between n and 14. N minus 3 lies between 6 and 11. So this 12 and 18 are higher powers. So we will remove it simply. X power n minus 3 coefficient in 1 minus 3x power 6 into 1 minus x whole power minus 3. So here in this expansion, 1 minus 3x power 6, 3c1x, 5c2x square, so on. Here x power n minus 3, you write c n minus 3, difference is 3. So nc n minus 3. So then similarly x power n minus 9 coefficient you write n minus c6. So which is equal to nc n minus 3 minus 3 times n minus 6 n minus 9. nc3 minus n minus 6 c3. ncr is same as nc n minus r. Then n minus 1, n minus 2 by 3, minus 3, n minus 7, n minus 8 by 3 to 1.